Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale data analysis with Google Analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To scale data analysis with Google Analytics, start by setting clear objectives for your data collection. Define specific questions you want to answer with your analysis. Ensure you have the correct Google Analytics property set up for your website or app. Implement enhanced tracking by adding specific event tracking for key user interactions. Utilize Google Tag Manager to manage your tracking codes more efficiently. Configure your goals in Google Analytics to measure conversions effectively. Explore the creation of segments to analyze subsets of your audience. Utilize custom dimensions and metrics to gather more granular data. Leverage dashboards to visualize your most important metrics in one place. Regularly review your data to identify trends and anomalies. Set up regular reporting in Google Data Studio for clear visualization over time. Incorporate user behavior data to understand engagement better. Use attribution modeling to assess the effectiveness of your marketing channels. Apply advanced features like audience targeting and remarketing. Consider integrating Google Analytics with other tools for deeper insights. Regularly audit your metrics and goals to ensure they align with your business objectives. Stay updated on the latest features in Google Analytics to fully leverage its capabilities. Implement A/B testing to refine your strategies based on data-driven insights. Train your team to interpret the data effectively for informed decision-making. Continuously iterate on your analysis process based on findings and feedback. Scaling data analysis is an ongoing process that requires constant refinement and adaptation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.